Welcome back. In this video, we are diving into selection tools, the tools that let you grab, isolate, and edit exactly the part of your image you want. If you have ever wanted to change just the background or cut out an object, this is where the magic begins. Photoshop is all about control, and selection tools give you that control. With selection, you can edit only a specific area, move a part of your image, change color of one object, cut, copy, or duplicate something, apply filters selectively. Without selections, you are editing everything at once, which we don't want. So Photoshop for iPad gives us several types of selection tools. Let's break them down so you know exactly where to use each one. So quick selection. This tool detects edges and select object automatically. Like this. Perfect for selecting subjects, people, objects, backgrounds, furniture, anything with clear boundaries. Tap around the object, watch the selection appears. Lasso tool. For more control, use the lasso tool to draw a freehand selection. Great for irregular shapes or when automatic selection misses some areas. Now rectangular and elliptical marquee tools. These gives you simple geometrical selection like squares, rectangles and circles. Perfect for clean cutouts, cropping specific parts or adding highlights. Let's walk through a real example. Choose any selection tool and draw or select around an area. Suppose I choose the quick selection. Now to add to the selection, here are some options. This one is the add to selection. This is subtract from the selection. So right now the add to selection is active. So if I tap on this one, it will add to the selection. Like this. And if I want to remove any part, I can tap on this button, and if I click like this part will be subtracted from this whole selection, and I can even choose the selection brush size if I want to. I can choose the hardness. Right now it is 100%, so that whatever I tap upon will be selected properly. So this bottom toolbar is given so that you can refine your selection. Here you can deselect whatever is selected on the screen. To undo, tap on the Apple Pencil twice, and you can do the settings from this gear icon. From the input, you can set whatever you want double tap setting to be. I have made it to act as undo. If I double tap on my Apple Pencil, it will act as undo. So I have selected this area. So you can refine your edges if you want. In certain cases, like if you want to select hair or fur, you can use the refine edge mode, which we will discuss afterwards. So these controls let you make your selection cleaner and more natural. So suppose I have selected this. I can move the selected part by going into the move tool, or I can paint the selected part like this. So there are so many options. We will discuss afterwards what all we can do by selecting certain area. Depending upon our requirement, we can do a lot of modifications and edits using some simple tricks. We can even copy. So this is our selection. If you want to copy the selected part, you have to click on the three dots and you can copy selection. You can cut selection, copy selection. You can create a new layer and you can paste it. So the duplicate copy of the selected part you will get. So another way of selection is object selection. You can tap on object selection. You can click once on the subject and it will compute and try to find out the object in the scene, and it will give you a selection. magic wand and you can use it, and you can increase or decrease the tolerance. Let's decrease the tolerance, and if I touch once it will select. Let's increase the tolerance a bit. Now you can see it has selected the yellow area. We have to refine it at certain areas, but I am just giving you an overview of how these selection tools work. We can refine them afterwards. Once the selection is done, you can use any other selection method to subtract or add to the selection. And that's your complete guide to selection tools on Photoshop for iPad. In the next video, we dive into transform and warp, where you will learn how to resize, rotate, distort and correct perspective like a pro. See you there.